The settings in Advanced Aircraft Analysis can be found in the Setup tab. Settings that can be changed are the units, where you can choose between British and SI units. The date and time format, which is shown on the bottom right, can be changed. The project name, which is displayed in the middle here, can be set, so you can name it anything you like and it will change it to that particular name. So for example, the Cessna 172R. So there you go. And then the company name, you can set that on the bottom left. So here it is shown that the company name is DAR Corporation. In the printer settings, you can select what is being printed. For example, a screen dump, the active window and print parameters, and you can add page numbers and file names if needed. The calculator can choose between the standard and the RPN calculator. And the last is the options, where you can select what is being shown in the workpad, some saving options. Then there's the colors that will be shown when a variable has changed during a calculation. In this case, it will show up as a red color around the numbers. Last is the calculated variable node color. So every variable that is being calculated within AAA will get the cyan color in this particular case. You can set default node settings. So when you open the workpath, the default node is added automatically. And you can set what the hint is for every single color. This is an example of what we use in-house at DAR Corporation, but feel free to use any template you like to use yourself. You can also set the default units in the program options. Here it is shown the default units for the British case, but of course, if you have SI units, it will show the SI units in that particular case.